Welcome to my YouTube channel. Its name is Abid Hussain KK. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, it's the right time to subscribe it, as you can get complete English course free of cost. This is my school, Government Boys Syed Khair Shah High School. This school is situated in village. School is surrounded by fields. This is the entrance of the school, a neat and clean street. And this street is for the ventilation of the classrooms. This is the parking area of our school. And this is the playground. In the break time, the students play in this ground. This is the dustbin for the wrappers and other things. We have solar system. When there is no electricity, we use solar system. This is the washroom area for the boys. And you can see the trees and the park. A beautiful park is there. And you can also see the long trees which make our school very beautiful. And in the future, we will grow grass in this area. We have plants for decoration and for oxygen. Plants make the school more attractive and beautiful. This is the entrance of the building. I will show you the headmaster office. In the break time and the free period, the teachers sit and relax in this office. This is our headmaster, Sir Karimdar Jamali, an honest and hard-working headmaster and the teacher. We use sanitizer. This is the Panaflex, which shows our mission. There are different kinds of Panaflex pasted on the walls. Class 8. This is our hard-working teacher, Sahib Khan Jamali, and the students are very interested in his class. He teaches different kinds of subjects, especially he is an expert in mathematics. 7th class. You can see our school is in a village, but all the students are in uniform, which shows the discipline of the classrooms. Sir Abdul Nabi, he is very hard-working teacher. Now I will show you the canteen area, a small canteen area where the assistant prepare tea for the teachers in the break time. Hard-working assistant. Now class 6, the basic class of the high school building. You can see all the students are in the uniform, in the perfect uniform. Sir Huzur Baksh Bhutto is the class teacher of class 6. Now I will show you the clerk office. Sir Abdul Jabbar Jamali, very hard-working clerk. He performed his duty honestly. Now the 9th class. Sir Shohab Lakho, he is the cream of our school. He is multi-talented and you can say he is an all-rounder. He can teach all subjects, physics, mathematics, biology also. And he is expert in English subject also. We have clean drinking water for the student. The students sit on this chair and drink water. Thanks a lot.